Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Subaru. This 4-door wagon has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter H4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Subaru is a great value with less than 49,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.